Let's move on to some other questions. So I did see an earlier question from. First of all, let me advance the slide here. We do want to talk about why ensemble, and there's 6 different things. You could probably add way more, but this one slide here has a lot on it, and may be relevant to some of the questions that have come up. Um, we are also going to get into sort of like some of the tools we use for remote mobbing or remote ensemble development. What actual tools are useful when you do it. So let's see, in terms of questions. So again, here's another one. Alex is looking to change, he's looking to adopt it and to change the company culture. He's interested in getting rid of PRs completely. Any comments about that?
PRs as practice are mostly BS. You can, if you invest enough time and effort into the pull request process, yeah, you'll get pretty good reviews and you'll get some useful feedback that says, go back and fix the thing that you didn't build right the first time. So do that, and then we'll take a look at it again. So this is all, very nice phased approach to doing things, but it's pretty costly if you want to get the full effect and value out of it. Most teams don't. For most people, it's an interruption from what they're doing when they work. So it's like, oh shoot, I got to approve some PRs. So we discovered last week that basically it seems like what happens is people are asked to review something through GitHub typically, or whatever tool you're using. So they'll take a cursory look at the software and they'll put maybe a comment out about something nitpicky, like, oh shoot, you forgot the semicolon at the end of the JavaScript line. Semicolons suck. But whatever, I don't put them on, so I get a lot of PR comments, which is it's great because it makes them look like they did something useful. The amount of valuable PR reviews that I get back that actually fix something flawed in the design or even find an insidious little defect are pretty rare, to be honest. With mom programming, they happen all the time. We do something stupid and you've got all eyes on the team on the code. So this is like Linus's law as applied to reviewing code. You've got all eyes on things. You're not going to miss dumb mistakes. And you're going to come up with the best design possible given the expertise of everybody in the room. And I think that's really what he's getting at is you end up with the best possible solution given this team. To me, that's the real reason we want to do this. I mean, the other 2 reasons for mob programming, I'm going to jump back to that thing Josh was asking about earlier. It goes faster and it's a lot more fun. And we build the best software possible. So that's all I have.
Yeah, I'm just showing a comment here from Joseph, which is related to this PR topic. So if any of you want to comment on that.
How long do PRs take? How long? And that's a very general question.
I was responding, yeah.
Yeah, and I mean that. But are we talking hours, days, weeks? The answer is yes in a lot of companies, right? How long does it take your code to get into production and get in front of the customer so that they can use it and you can get that rapid feedback and make it better or continue to produce that great code, right? By working together collaboratively, we're able to make those changes that we would normally make in a PR right then, right? Very much like what Jeff was saying, right? What's the saying is that the best of my work it goes in and the best of your work goes in, and when I put something in that's not maybe the best of my work, everybody else goes, well, wait a minute, let's talk about why we're doing that, and is there a better way, and let's fix it up before we make that commit and push it.